Here's pre-calc, it's problem 7-36. It says, given the graph of the piecewise defined function below, complete the following limit statements or state that the limit does not exist. So it wants, I know the answers are already there. We're going to pretend we don't have the answers yet. So it says the limit of the function as x approaches negative infinity. So we're going to look toward negative infinity. And this one was confusing. A couple people thought that maybe it was approaching 0.5 because you can't tell if it's really where it's flattening out, and we don't have an equation for the function. So you were supposed to think that it's heading toward 0. So that's why the answer is 0. But if you said you thought it was heading toward 0.5, because see how it kind of looks like it's flattening out at 0.5. I didn't mark it wrong. It's fine. Because you can't really tell exactly because we don't have the equation. So here's the limit of the function as x approaches -2 from the left. So we're going to approach -2 from the left. What is the limit? So we can see even though f of 2 doesn't exist, well, f of 2 does exist, but it's up there. The limit, like the little bug when they're crawling, little beetle guy, he thinks he's going to 2. So some of you guys got confused and put 3 because it's true that the function, when x is -2, the function is equal to 3. But if the limit's not equal to 3, the limit's equal to 2, because if you're the little bug, that's where your path is taking you. That's where you think you're going to go. I know it's a little confusing, but the limit in some cases is going to be different than the actual evaluation of the function. So in this case, the limit was 2. Now here's the limit as x approaches -2 from the right. So approach -2 from the right. So if you're the Benny Beetle or whatever, you're going to be coming in from the right. And you're going toward -2, and where do you think you're going to end up? Well, you think you're going to end up right there, and that is 3. Here's the limit as x approaches -2. Well, so these are both one-sided limits. We approached -2 from the right, or from the left and from the right. This one is saying as we approach -2. Well, when the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit don't go to the same place, then the limit does not exist. Even if the function exists, the limit does not exist because the left-hand and right-hand limits are not going to the same place. So that's why they were talking to us about the two beetles, where they think they're going as they go from the left and the right. This one thinks they're going to 3, and this one thinks they're going to 2. So the limit, although there's a left-hand limit and a right-hand limit, they don't go to the same place, so that's what makes it not exist. Okay, this is the limit. Here's a two-sided limit as x approaches 2. So it doesn't matter if you're from the right or the left. Where do you think you're going if you approach 2? Well, it looks like your y value is going to be 3. Okay, and then this one says the limit as x approaches infinity. So the only direction you can approach infinity from is from the left, because you can't get at it from the right. So we're going to approach infinity, and where does it look like we're going? I mean, the little arrow, it doesn't appear to be flattening out. It appears like it's just going to maybe keep going down and cross that axis and go down, down, down. So we're supposed to say that we think we're approaching negative infinity.